The delicious flavors of Bacolod all in one dish. We're giving a madalicious touch to our classic chicken inasal, which we hope will bring warmth and joy to your Noche Buena table. Today's recipe, chicken inasal with Kansi-style gravy. Hi! I'm JC Caparas. Ihanda na ang extra rice at gaganahan ka talaga sa ulam na lulutuin namin sa araw na ito. You're watching Madalicious in Every Meal, brought to you by San Miguel Foods Home Foodie. At dahil madali and delicious ang recipes natin dito, gagamitin natin ang Magnolia Chicken Templados Inasal. Templado na, kaya sarap made easy. It is the star of today's show. Now, for our complete list of ingredients, screenshot na natin ito. Tara, luto na tayo! Our first step, heat oil in a pan and fry our Magnolia Chicken Templados Inasal. To check if your chicken is cooked thoroughly, pierce the thickest part with a small knife. If the juices that come out are clear, then it's ready. Okay na. Arrange your chicken pieces on a platter and set that aside. Keep the chicken warm. In the pan, sautein natin ang tanglad for 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the chicken stock and wait until it simmers. Add the cornstarch mixture. Remember to mix this well para walang buo-buo ang cornstarch. Stir continuously until the sauce thickens. Add salt and pepper to taste. Let this simmer again. Turn off the heat. Now, you can slowly pour the Kansi sauce over the prepared chicken inasal. Or pwede rin naman serve the gravy on the side. Look at this. Namit, di ba? Here are a few tips. You can serve this madalicious dish on a sizzling plate and add mixed vegetables to make it more appetizing. And there you have it. Another madalicious dish from San Miguel Foods Home Foodie. Madali plus delicious talaga. Hanggang sa uulitin, have a madalicious day.